More than 12,000 senior joint surgeries reveal one shocking truth. The most common exercise recommended to older adults may actually be damaging millions of knees, hips, and spines after the age of 60. For decades, people have been told that walking is the ultimate exercise. Walk every day, hit 10,000 steps, keep moving and your body will stay strong. But inside operating rooms around the world, a very different story is appearing. Many seniors who walk every single day, even those proudly hitting 10,000 steps, are arriving with inflamed joints, worn cartilage, and severe knee damage. In many cases, the cartilage is so worn down that bone begins grinding against bone. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Walking alone is not enough to protect the aging body. And in some cases, excessive walking without proper strength training can actually accelerate joint damage. Meanwhile, the global walking and fitness tracker industry is worth hundreds of billions of dollars. Shoe companies, fitness apps, wearable trackers. They all benefit when people believe that steps alone equal health. But orthopedic and mobility research tells a different story. Out of thousands of exercise variations that exist today, only 5 specific movements consistently show the ability to rebuild strength, protect joints, and extend mobility in adults over 60. These movements target the exact systems that decline with age: muscle strength, balance, posture, circulation, neurological coordination. Studies show these movements can reduce fall risk by over 40% and dramatically improve long-term mobility. In this video, you'll discover 5 surgeon-recommended exercises that outperform walking for joint protection and muscle preservation. And make sure you stay until number 2, because it's one of the simplest movements ever studied. Yet hospitals in Japan now use it to help seniors recover leg strength faster after surgery. Before we begin, leave a comment below. Where are you watching from? And how many minutes a day do you usually walk or exercise? Now let's begin. Exercise number 5. Wall push-ups. Push-ups are often thought of as exercises for athletes or young people. But a modified version, the wall push-up, may be one of the safest and most effective strength exercises for seniors. Research shows that adults over 60 who perform modified push-ups several times per week experience significant improvements in upper body strength compared with those who rely only on walking. Why does this matter? Because upper body strength is critical for everyday activities such as pushing open heavy doors, lifting groceries, catching yourself during a fall, getting up from the floor. Wall push-ups activate several major muscle groups at once: chest muscles, shoulders, triceps, core stabilizers. To perform the exercise, stand about an arm's length from a wall. Place your hands flat against the wall at shoulder height. Lean your body forward until your nose comes close to the wall. Then push yourself back to the starting position. Keep your body straight from head to heel. As you become stronger, step further away from the wall to increase resistance. This simple adjustment gradually builds strength while keeping stress on the joints extremely low. Exercise number 4. Chair squats. The ability to sit down and stand up easily is one of the most important indicators of long-term independence. That's why chair squats are considered one of the most functional exercises for people over 60. Chair squats strengthen quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, core muscles. These muscles are responsible for nearly every movement in daily life. Without regular strength training, the quadriceps alone can lose up to 40% of their mass between ages 50 and 80. This loss explains why many older adults struggle to stand up from chairs or climb stairs. To perform a chair squat, sit on the edge of a sturdy chair. Place your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest upright. Stand up slowly without using your hands if possible. Then lower yourself back down slowly over 3 to 4 seconds. This slow lowering phase builds strength faster and improves joint stability. Exercise number 3. Single leg balance. Balance is one of the most overlooked aspects of aging health. Yet research shows that the ability to stand on one leg for 10 seconds is strongly linked with longevity and independence in older adults. Balance exercises strengthen small stabilizing muscles in the ankles, hips, and core. They also train the brain to coordinate movement more efficiently. To begin, stand near a countertop or sturdy support. Lift one foot slightly off the floor. Hold the position for 10 seconds. Then switch legs. As you improve, you can increase difficulty by closing your eyes, turning your head slowly, Standing on a softer surface. Just a few minutes of daily balance practice can dramatically reduce fall risk. Exercise number 2. Resistance band rows. One of the most common physical changes seen with aging is forward-leaning posture. This condition, often called rounded shoulders or excessive spinal curvature, can affect breathing, digestion, balance, and overall mobility. Resistance band rows strengthen the muscles that pull the shoulders back and support healthy posture. These include upper back muscles, shoulder stabilizers, core support muscles. To perform the movement, attach a resistance band to a stable anchor point. Hold the handles with arms extended. Pull the band toward your rib cage while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Then slowly return to the starting position. This exercise directly counters the forward posture created by years of sitting, driving, and looking downward. Improving posture not only reduces back pain but also improves breathing capacity and overall stability. Their exercise. Number 1. Tai Chi movement. Finally, the most powerful movement pattern for aging bodies. Tai Chi. This slow, flowing form of movement combines balance, coordination, strength, and mental focus. Research has shown that older adults who practice Tai Chi regularly experience dramatically lower fall risk and improved mobility. Unlike repetitive exercises, Tai Chi constantly shifts weight between the legs while coordinating upper and lower body movement. This challenges the nervous system in ways that strengthen both the body and the brain. Regular practice improves balance, coordination, reaction time, muscle control. Even 20 minutes several times per week can produce measurable benefits. Many hospitals and rehabilitation centers now include Tai Chi movements in recovery programs because of their ability to restore mobility safely. Final message. Walking is still beneficial, but relying on walking alone is not enough to maintain strength and protect joints after 60. The most effective approach combines several types of movement. Let's quickly review the 5 exercises. 5. Wall push-ups for upper body strength. 4. Chair squats for lower body power. 3. Single leg balance for fall prevention. 2. Resistance band rows for posture and back strength. 1. Tai Chi movement for coordination and long-term mobility. Together, these exercises strengthen the exact systems that aging tends to weaken. Starting even a few minutes per day can make a meaningful difference in strength, balance, and independence over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future health insights. And before you go, leave a comment below. Which of these exercises surprised you the most? Thanks for watching.